Hello, beautiful soul. If you feel that you are stuck in scarcity or you're trying to figure out your next money breakthrough, this video is for you. I will walk you through 3 energetic shifts that will unlock your money flow. And the best part, these do not require more hustle or hard work, but your return to the truth of who you are. My name is Tatiana Ivanova, and I am a global movement architect and guide in soul-led leadership and thriving. So let's dive in. Your first shift is you are the source of your wealth. You are the source. You see, we have been conditioned to see the source of money outside of us. So we feel separate from money. We feel that wealth, money is somewhere outside of ourselves. It's in our employers. We see money in those 9-to-5 establishments. That's why we feel stuck working there, because that's in our mind the source of our wealth. We see wealth in our clients. That's why we're chasing clients, because we're chasing money. And some of us see the source of wealth in our partners or husbands. And sometimes when our relationships no longer serve us, we still stuck just because we feel that our spouse is the source of money in our life. So if you feel that the source of wealth is outside of you, you truly create this separation from wealth, and you create this unhealthy attachment and dependency when it comes to money. So you are the source of wealth. How do you actually connect to that source of wealth within you? And the key is your state of being. Who you are being really creates that external reflection of wealth in your life. So your state of being is your source of wealth, your energetic frequency of wealth. You gotta feel wealthy inside to experience wealth on the outside. It's the state of your wealth consciousness that actually creates the level of wealth that you experience without being attached to that 9-to-5 or to your husband or to a client that no longer really supports your business and vision and mission. You see, so your state of energy, your state of being, your identity, and your level of wealth consciousness and your relationship with money is the source of wealth. Okay, that's what actually creates money. So you are the source, and everything else is the resource. Money is the resource. People are here for you to support you on your purpose-driven journey. Yes, your clients, you support your clients to create transformations, and you become this value exchange, which is shift number 2. You exchange value, you give them value in form of transformation, and they give you value in the form of money. So let's dive into shift number 2, which is your value within. You see, money represents value. Money represents a value exchange. But that value starts within. It starts within you. So it is essential to recognize how valuable you are, how valuable your purpose is. It's essential to see value in your sacred work, in the offers you put together. It's essential to see how valuable, how transformative they are for your clients. But not just your work, it's all of you. You got to see value in your energy. Your energy is so valuable, so you got to channel it into some meaningful things, right? Not just like throw it away or just like misuse it on useless things. So your energy is valuable, your time is valuable, your focus is valuable. What you put your focus on expands, remember? So you got to see value in everything you do and everything that you are. You got to really own that identity of being a valuable, important person who owns her worth. So that sense of worth and value, when you own it, when you embody it, that creates more value in your business and in your life, because clients, potential clients, they see that value in you. They recognize your value because you embody it, you own it. So shift number 2 is really connecting to that value within and embodying it and feeling that you're worthy of the best things in life, right? So it's embodying and owning your value and worth. And shift number 3, and this will surprise you, but the fastest way to activate a flow of money, to receive money, is to give it away. Yes, give it away freely, abundantly, and with joy. Because you can't really give away something that you don't have. So when you start giving money, you start really rewiring your perception that, oh, I have money and I can give it away, right? Give it away in the meaningful sense, meaning when it feels aligned, give money, give bigger tips, give money to your family members, give money to your kids, give extra money to your support team, give money to yourself, meaning buy something meaningful and delicious, meaning, something beautiful for yourself. But circulate your money, give money away freely without attachment. That's the key. Because when we give money from the place of inner plenty, from the place of wealth, from the place of abundance, it multiplies. How does it multiply? Here's the secret. You see, we're all one in our energy. We're all one energy field. So when we give money to others, we were really giving money to ourselves multiplied. That's the multiplier formula. When you give freely to others, money comes back to you multiplied. It's a law. But we're not giving because we are in lack. And we're in this conditioning that we don't have money, so we're not giving money away. But here's the trick. Start noticing that you do have money. At any given moment, you do have money. And if an opportunity arises, you feel this nudge to give it away, to buy something for someone, to give freely to a meaningful cause, give it away. And you will see how it will come back to you multiplied. A couple of things here. You got to believe that money is an infinite resource. When you give away, you know that money is infinite. It always flows. It's not a limited resource. It's an unlimited resource. So when you give away, know that money always comes back, okay? And another thing, don't give with attachment, meaning I'm giving now so that I want to receive more. That doesn't work. Give freely and open up, be open to receive from various channels with ease, okay? So let's recap those 3 internal shifts that will unlock an abundant money flow into your life. Number 1, you are the source. Your state of being wealthy, it's a state. That is the source of your abundant flow. Number 2, own your value. See value in everything you do, you create, you launch, you give, you speak. See value in your time, see value in your energy. Own that value. People see that. They invest because they know you have something valuable for them, okay? And give money away freely, abundantly, from the place of inner plenty, from the place of wealth within. And be open to receive, knowing that money is an unlimited resource and it always comes back multiplied. If you connected deep with those shifts and you will be applying them into your business and life, into your inner state of being, comment below which one really resonated with you and which one you will start applying now. I'm curious to know. I love you, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.